In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Smartsheet access token. Smartsheet is a dynamic platform that allows you to manage work more efficiently, and gaining access tokens is a vital part of integrating its APIs with your workflows. If you've ever wondered how to seamlessly generate and manage your access tokens, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and break down the process step by step. First, you'll want to begin by logging into your licensed Smartsheet account. This is an important first step because access tokens are linked to your account's credentials, ensuring that only authenticated users can generate them. Make sure you're using your licensed account to guarantee your access and permissions match what you need for your integrations. Once logged in, navigate over to the bottom left corner of your Smartsheet user interface. There, you should see the account or profile icon. This is where all your personal settings and preferences are managed. Click on this icon to continue the process of obtaining your access token. In the menu that appears, look for an option labeled Personal Settings. By selecting Personal Settings, you'll be able to manage a variety of features related to your account. One of these options, crucial for our needs today, is found under the API Access tab. Now, let's navigate to the API Access tab. This is where you can handle everything related to API integration directly within your account settings. Clicking on the API Access tab takes you to a page dedicated to managing your access tokens, which is essential for connecting Smartsheet with other applications. The next step is generating a new access token. You'll see an option labeled Generate New Access Token. Go ahead and click on this option. As soon as you do this, you'll be prompted to assign a name to your new access token. Giving it a clear and descriptive name now will save you from future confusion, especially if you manage multiple tokens for different projects or integrations. Once you've given your token a name, your new access token will be displayed on the screen. At this point, it's incredibly important to copy the token immediately. Access tokens appear only once, and if you lose it, you'll have to generate a new one. But more than that, you need to ensure its security. Because this token grants API permissions equivalent to your Smartsheet account, it's crucial to store it securely. Consider using environment variables or secure vaults to store the token, and avoid keeping it directly in your source code, as exposing it might lead to unauthorized access to your Smartsheet account. And there you have it. You now know how to generate and secure a Smartsheet access token. Use this token wisely to integrate with Smartsheet's powerful APIs and enhance your workflow automation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to secure that token.